Hey guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Avery Boutte, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 biggest mistakes that I think people make when putting together outfits. I'm definitely guilty of doing some of these in the past, but I am working hard with every outfit to get better. Now let's just jump straight in to mistake number 1. Mistake number 1 is not thinking about the silhouette. Many people will just combine any shirt and any bottoms just based on like the color or the pattern or how comfortable they want to be. While all those things are very important, the whole vibe of your look is going to be changed based on the silhouette. For instance, a very oversized top with a large top and large bottoms is going to look more relaxed and for sure less professional. An outfit with very tight jeans and a tank top will look very different and to give off a different impression. So to consider the silhouette of your outfit, first, I would start with how comfy you want to be on that day. If you're going to work and you want to feel more put together and slightly less comfortable so that you feel like you're at work and you need to get stuff done, then stay away from any clothes that are going to be larger than just like fitted. Of course, also take into consideration the style that you're going for. Outfits that take more influence from street style are going to have many more oversized elements than a more preppy look would have. If you feel like you've transcended any one style or you just don't really know what you want to go with, then I would recommend just doing something different from what you normally do. If you normally wear very loose t-shirts, maybe step outside your comfort zone a little and wear something more fitted or tight, or maybe even go for a crop top if you feel up to that. If you tend to wear skinny jeans, maybe try something more wide-legged for a change. Play around with it. Mistake number 2 is neglecting the details. I really didn't used to think about the details of my outfits very much. The hair, the shoes, the accessories can all play a very big part in how your overall look is going to be perceived. I know it's more work than just choosing a top and choosing a bottom and like going out the door, but it is worth it. It'll make you feel more put together, and if you ever need to take like Instagram pictures or anything, your look will photograph better if you've got a little more interest going on in your look rather than just a top and a bottom. Shoes, in my opinion, are very important because they really show the commitment to the outfit that you have. If you were going to wear heels, but then you second-guessed yourself because you thought you might have to walk somewhere, that shows that you're not committed to the look. So either bring a change of shoes or commit to it and wear the heels. Maybe wear slightly lower heels than you were going to or something, but wear the heels. You will look better for it, I swear. Accessories like bags can be practical as well as just look good, and necklaces can sometimes just make a shirt really pop. Hair is the detail that I personally find the hardest to deal with. For most of my life, I've kind of cycled between the same 4 hairstyles, which is just like down, in a braid, in a ponytail, or in pigtails, which, I mean, not exactly thrilling. I very much admire anyone who takes the time to actually make a hairstyle to go with their outfit, especially because their outfits tend to look better for it. Mistake number 3 is worrying what people are going to think about you. This is a big one. I think a large amount of the time people will say, oh, I'm just not stylish, or I just don't do fashion. When in reality, they are just worried what other people are going to think of them if they wear a different or more adventurous outfit. If you want to dress better or feel more confident about yourself, you really are just going to have to stop caring what other people are thinking. I know this is hard and is generally easier said than done, but generally if people just see you putting more effort into your appearance and dressing better, they're mostly just going to respect you a little more, probably subconsciously. Sure, there might be someone who secretly thinks that you're like becoming shallow, but the reality is it's a shallow world and we just live in it. Basically, no stranger's opinion is ever going to have a real effect on your life. And if you are worried about the opinions of the people who are already in your life, and if they actually judge you like to your face, then get new people for your life, because you deserve better. So the way that I tend to put my own outfits together goes like this. First things first, I look at the weather because I'm very practical when it comes to being too warm or too cold or anything like that. I want to be comfortable. Then I decide just how comfortable I want to be or how fancy I want to look. If there's a certain top or bottom that I want to wear that day, I'll pull that piece first and then I'll choose the other main piece based on that. Otherwise, I generally pick the pants or skirt first because that generally will determine how comfortable I'm going to be, you know, like skinny jeans versus wide leg jeans or like a short skirt versus a long skirt. And then I will choose a top that goes with it and complements its silhouette. Finally, I will choose accessories and do my hair and makeup to go with the style of the look that I have created. And finally, if the weather requires it, I will find a coat that looks good. So to sum up my points, consider the silhouette of the outfit you are creating. Think of the style and level of comfort, and if you don't know what to do, try something new. Think about the details, make sure you accessorize, and try to do something with your hair. Finally, don't worry about what other people think because it does not affect you. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope you learned something and I hope that you enjoyed it immensely. Like and subscribe if you feel like it, but no pressure as always. I'll be back with another video on Friday. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.